You're trying to improve your trading performance, reviewing your setups, analyzing mistakes, tracking metrics, and finding out what really influences your results. But you feel lost between too many tools or platforms that don't give you the insights you need. That's where trading journals come in. Two of the biggest names in 2026 are TradeZella and TraderSync, both promising deeper analysis, better tracking, and smarter decision-making. But which one is truly the best? Welcome to GigaBits, where we break down the most important software tools for traders so you can invest your time wisely. Today we're comparing TradeZella versus TraderSync to see which one deserves a place in your trading workflow. I spent several days using both platforms side by side. I imported trades from different brokers, tested features like tagging, analytics dashboards, replay tools, and AI-generated insights. I compared pricing, automation, mobile usability, and custom reporting. I also looked at feedback from trading communities, Reddit, Discord groups, and user reviews to see what real traders love and complain about. After all that testing, I have a clear understanding of how each platform performs in 2026. Both tools market themselves as advanced all-in-one trading journals. TradeZella highlights simplicity, psychology-focused insights, and clean workflows. TraderSync promotes deep customization, AI-powered analysis, auto-imports, and smart tagging. But which claims hold up? Can TradeZella's simple interface compete with TraderSync's powerful data engine? Does TraderSync justify its higher subscription tiers? And which platform actually makes you a better trader? Let's break it down. Step 1. Usability and interface. TradeZella delivers one of the cleanest and easiest interfaces in the trading journal world. It feels modern, intuitive, and beginner-friendly. TraderSync, while feature-rich, can feel complex for new users, but advanced traders appreciate the depth and control. Step 2. Journaling and tagging tools. Both platforms support tagging strategies, tracking mistakes, and categorizing setups. TradeZella keeps tagging simple and fast. TraderSync offers more granular tags, filters, and AI-assisted grading, making it better for traders who rely heavily on data segmentation. Step 3. Analytics and performance reports. TraderSync shines here. It offers deep performance analytics, customizable dashboards, trend patterns, and breakdowns by time of day, market conditions, and strategy. TradeZella has strong analytics too, but focuses more on clarity than complexity. It's ideal for traders who don't want to drown in metrics. Step 4. Trade replay and psychology tools. This is where TradeZella has an edge. Its trade replay system is smooth, allowing you to revisit executions and understand emotional decisions. The psychology notes and session reviews make it perfect for traders who want behavioral improvement. Step 5. Automation and integrations. TraderSync supports more broker connections and more automated imports. TradeZella is improving, but some brokers still require manual uploads. For traders who hate extra steps, TraderSync might feel more convenient. Step 6. Pricing and value. TraderSync tends to be more expensive, especially with AI and advanced analytics unlocked. TradeZella's pricing is simpler and more predictable. For traders who want premium tools without high recurring costs, TradeZella may offer better overall value. Step 7. Community feedback. TraderSync users praise its analytics but complain about the learning curve and the price. TradeZella users love the UI, the psychology tools, and the fast workflow, but some want more automation and more integrations. So which trading platform is the best in 2026? If you're a trader who wants a simple, clean, and psychology-focused system that helps you reflect on your decisions, TradeZella is an excellent choice. It's efficient, modern, and powerful without being overwhelming. But if you're a data-driven trader who needs granular analytics, automated imports, and AI-powered insights, TraderSync is the stronger platform. It offers more depth, but at a higher cost and with a steeper learning curve. In short, TradeZella is best for clarity and simplicity. TraderSync is best for advanced analytics and automation. Choose based on the type of trader you are. If this comparison helped you figure out which trading journal fits your style, make sure to subscribe to GigaBits. We break down software, tools, and platforms every week to help you trade smarter. Hit like if this was useful and tell me in the comments, are you Team TradeZella or Team TraderSync?